Hi, today in front of me, welcome today in front of me Realme C33, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. Let's open the Muviz Edge application. Click down, for example, let's use this thumb. Click to apply this thumb, tap to the backgrounds. If you want to swatch them, just by swipe and select one from these available backgrounds, tap to apply. To change music control time, just to hide it from 10 or just to don't hide them, we should slide to the left or to the right side this dot. Just to show the date, you should click on the swatcher. If you want to turn it off also, you should use the swatcher. And to change the battery status, just to show it always while they were charging or never, we should make it here. Let's tap to the X icon, switch AOD to the settings and click to always on display. Here we can change shown on lock screen always while charging on music. We can use them separately. To change screen timeout from 1 minute to an hour, we just should swipe to the left or to the right side this dot. By the same way, the brightness level, to decrease or increase it, we should slide it to the left or to the right side. If you wanna close it with a double or single tap, switch it here. We can also turn it off on fingerprint and on screen off. So just if you use the fingerprint and lock method, for example, you can make it. We can set here the shadow, the start and the end time, and to disable always on display during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Realme device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.